He's right there. Oh my god.
For a couple of weeks ago, I saw 11 buzzards, and after that day, I've been on a chase for the buzzard ever since. And today I finally got to come up close to it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Good morning. That is beautiful. Oh, it's the blackbird. There you are. Every bird. Oh, look at him. He's right there. Hello there, woodpecker. What a beautiful little bird. The woodpeckers. So that's probably the one I've been hearing here all the time. That's a chaffinch. Up in the tree there. Would you look at that? Oh my god. It's so nice. This is beautiful. Amazing. Yeah, I can see you. Hello. So guys, this is amazing. Imagine like a bird perching on one of those sticks there by the sunrise. That would be absolutely amazing. I think blackbird sounds like they're laughing when they're screaming like that. Oh, look at that bird. What are you? Is it a crow? No, it's actually a raven. Nice. That's very nice. I'm so curious as to where the buzzards live. Oh, I can see the missile rush. No, I cannot. Yeah, there. I'm at the wrong side here. No. Is that the bullfinch? I think it might be. Yeah, that's the bullfinch. That's really nice. I got like a tip from a YouTuber about like using the APS-C mode on the camera to get further reach, and that works really well. I don't remember his name right now, but when I do, I'll make sure I'll tag or like leave a comment suggesting his channel, because whenever I zoom in with APS-C, I get closer to the birds, and the bird autofocus seems to be working better that way. Those are bones. Can you see that? Oh. Is it really though? I have no idea. Yeah, that's bolts. For sure. Oh, look at that. Right in front of me there. No, yes. No, I couldn't get down in time. I was just a bit too high for eye level. It's right there. Oh my god. We're gonna have to get closer. That's it, that's the Buzzard. Wow. Guess you got really close to a Buzzard. There he goes. Couldn't get that much closer, but that's so fun.